Greetings to everyone. The topic of our video today pertains to NASA's Starling mission. Just proved a satellite can find itself in orbit without GPS by using other spacecraft and debris as landmarks. FALCON, short for Fast Autonomous Lost-in-Space Catalog-Based Optical Navigation, is a NASA and Aerodrive experiment. Stanford-born AeroCore software plus Starling star tracker cameras and an onboard catalog. The cameras matched bright objects to a public list of about 20,000 space objects from the US Department of War, calculated Starling's orbit from those reference points, and in 3 days, with zero help from the ground, sharpened the known orbits of more than 200 objects beyond what ground stations had predicted. FALCON is yet another success for the Starling demonstration mission. The results from FALCON can have far-reaching implications for on-orbit space traffic monitoring, collision avoidance, and alternative navigation, said Roger Hunter of NASA's Ames Research Center. The number of firsts from Starling just keeps growing. That optical self-fix is a first, and later this year the 4 Starling craft, launched in 2023, will share tracking data so they can refine their positions together for lunar swarms, science networks, and GPS dark trips toward the Moon or Mars. To support our channel's growth and ensure broader awareness, kindly hit the like, hype, share, and subscribe buttons. This will help us reach more individuals and disseminate valuable information. Thank you in advance.